Now we are at Khanapara playground. Second term of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma has begun officially. He has taken oath just a few minutes ago, and we are joined by one supporter of NDA, BJP, and he has come from ABC Guwahati. And what do you want to say after watching the sea of people here at the oath-taking ceremony of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma? What feelings you have at this moment? What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
I want to say that NDA alliance is the most important alliance in the India.
Yes.
And Himanta Biswa Sarma will become one day chief Prime Minister of India.
Okay.
So his leadership, his vision is full of for the people of Assam and full with the people of Northeast India.
Behind the region of winning 102 seats, what are the factors that you have? You can say that for these regions, NDA has become the largest party in the assembly election with 102 seats. What are the regions that they have been able to gather?
We work for the people.
Yes.
NDA works for the people.
Yes.
So continuously our NDA alliance is winning 102 seats.
BJP is favorable for public, do you think?
Yes.
And do you think that in the last 5 years they have been able to do to stand up according to the expectation of the people?
Yes.
Do you think?
I think
I think that they have been able to stand up.
They have fully fulfilled the promise of the people what they gave.
And what expectations maybe after watching the sea of people here coming all across the Assam, and they have come here to witness the oath-taking ceremony of the Himanta Biswa Sarma, second term of Himanta Biswa Sarma. So after watching this huge gathering, huge support, that lots of challenges will be in front of the government also. And because when challenges, when support is huge, then challenges have become bigger. What do you think?
I think challenges for the Himanta Biswa Sarma is not many.
He will be able to stand up, tackle all kind of
expectations. He will fulfill the promise of the Assam people.
And and after watching the support huge gathering here, do you say that in coming days there will be no opposition here? Because I don't think all people coming all across the Assam, they are not. They are not only BJP supporters. All people have come here. So after watching this sea of gathering, in coming days there will be no opposition in front of BJP or something like that. What do you want to say?
I want to say that there will be only NDA alliance.
Yeah.
No more than no NDA alliance in the Northeast India.
And
under Himanta Biswa Sarma leadership.
From today, do you think?
From today, I think.
Means from today, there will be a different scenario, political situation in Assam.
Yes.
And he has said that after watching this gathering, after watching the huge support, in coming days, from today, new era of political situation has been begun in Assam under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, and he has said, in coming days, there will be no opposition in front of BJP, and it will be because of NDA and Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma capable leadership. From Khanapara field, from Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma's second time oath-taking ceremony, it is Moram Kumar for Democracy Live.